In this video, I'm going to show you how to join elements in Revit. Now to do this, you want to go to the Modify tab up top, and then from here under Geometry, you can find Join. Now when you hover over it, it says this is going to create clean joins between two or more host elements that share a common face, such as walls and floors. So I'm going to click on Join over here, and make sure the multiple selection is selected, and then from here you can just go and select whatever you want. So for example, I'm going to click on just a few random things because I have a lot of stuff joined in here already. And then whenever you do this, as you can see, it's going to highlight like this, and you can then click and join it. Okay, now in my case, these elements have been joined but do not intersect. That's why, of course, I got this pop-up message over here. I'm just gonna click on OK, but then you can do this for any element you want in here. Okay, so just go and basically find a place where you want to join things, and there we go, it's going to join them. Okay, now if they do intersect, of course, that's going to even better, but of course if they don't, you're gonna get this pop-up at the bottom right, and that's really all you have to know when joining elements. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.